Selection structures don't have to be always about numbers. They could be about strings, items inside quotes. Here's an example of a beginning of what could be a civics quiz. We're going to ask for the name of the U.S. President, the surname. We're going to check for that being Obama. Notice that we can have a string expression here. This will also evaluate to either true or false. If it's true, it'll run this way and we'll get the output correct. If not, we'll get incorrect. Let's give it a try. There's our prompt. We'll get it wrong here. And you'll notice that we get the output incorrect when we got it wrong. Okay, and of course we would get correct if we entered Obama. Let's try it again with the correct input. This time we'll enter Obama. Step through it, and you'll notice we are in the yes or true block now. So it seems to be working fine. We could extend this. We could add more questions. That's just one question. We could actually do that quite easily. If we lasso with our mouse this part of the program, we could right-click on it, copy, position right here, paste, and we can paste that entire structure in, and then we can just modify it slightly. I guess I should have also got the prompt. I forgot to get the prompt here, or I'll get the input as well. So I'll copy that and paste it, which would have to be right there. And we'll just modify that slightly. Of course, this time we'll say not surname, but last name of the USA President, and we'll call that last name. And now we'll have to modify our condition. So we'll modify that to say if last name is, and of course you know that that's Barack, and now we've got two questions in our quiz. Let's give it a try. We'll clear up the master console first, and we'll run through it. This time we'll run through it instead of stepping. We'll run through it directly. So let's see, I'll get this part right. There's my correct, and then there's my second prompt for the last name. I'll get this one wrong, and you'll notice I did get incorrect for that. So that's just the start of a quiz. It shows you that you can also work with string values. You don't have to work just with numeric values, and of course we could see this whole thing a little bit better if we shrink it a bit. There's the entire program. We could do more. We could introduce something called a counter and keep track of the right answers, and every time the answer was correct we could increment a counter, and then we could post a final score when the quiz was over. That's coming up.